Today we're talking about million-dollar online business ideas. And I would know. Hey, I'm Coach Molle from the Visibility Hacking team, and I grew my business online to over $1.5 million in less than a year online, and I'm going to show you how to do it too. So first off, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join us here for new videos every single week. I knew a guy in university who had a sports car, and I thought it was the fanciest, sexiest car I had ever seen. Well, clearly I got to know him, and one day we were chatting in the coffee shop at school, and I realized that his business was run off of his laptop whenever he was sitting in the park or in the library or even in class. And I thought that was really, really cool. We went on a school trip once and he brought that magical laptop along and was making money while we were on pretty much vacation. And that to me sparked my interest on putting a business together online, of using online connection and online technology to be able to build that business, to make money, to find people, to serve them solutions, to run my own company. And I thought that was really cool. So I'm going to share what I have learned with you guys and more. First, we're going to talk about a quick money hack. Then we're going to talk about a smart money hack. And then finally, we'll talk about a really messy money hack. For all this and more, stay tuned, roll the intro. Quick money hack is to first make sure that you're understanding the landscape of your market and of the business world around you. So for my business, for example, back in 2020, at the beginning of 2020, there was this big shift where all of these businesses ended up needing to go online. The big pivot, we called it. It happened because of this global pandemic. You may have heard of it before, but anyways, all of these businesses needed to go online and connect with their customers that way, because no longer were customers able to walk into their stores. No longer could we do business as usual. So recognizing what was happening in the market, my company swooped in and started helping those small businesses get visible online, build their brand identities online, bring that in-person amazing personality into the online space so they could continue to connect with their pre-existing audiences, but most importantly, they could continue to grow and to meet new audiences and new potential customers. And so that's where connection machines came in, that's where visibility hacking came about, and it worked because we paid attention to the landscape around us. So when you're doing this with your small business, take a look around. You can make quick money by understanding where the needs are in the markets around you, creating a solution to that problem, and then serving it up to those who need it. That's my quick money hack for you guys. And a quick, simple tool, I've said it already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now you want to make smart money online? Then look at creating info products. Sell your knowledge, sell your experience, sell the information that's up in your head. This could look like courses or ebooks. It could be online trainings. You're basically going to sell yourself as a teacher, as an expert, and you're going to share that information with the world. You could also do this in the form of being a speaker on stage or at virtual events. Information products are a fabulous way of making lots of money, because once you create the asset once, you can just continuously sell it to other people. That helps you continuously bring in more income into your business. It's the smart way of doing it. So build up your stage, build up your presence online, what we like to call building your stage and building your connection machine. And that will help establish your authority and your influence in the world. It'll help those people who you're trying to attract find you, because there's actual strategy and tactics behind the connection machines that we build in visibility hacking, because we actually want to play into these algorithms. We want to use technology to serve up your content to the right people, and it works really, really well, and I love it. So question time: if you were to sell your knowledge and experience what would you sell? What would you teach people how to do? Are you like a master at making cakes, or are you incredible at teaching people how to get out of debt? What is it that you do? What is your area of expertise? Let us know down in the comments. Messy money. Now this is really good money. So one of the most successful people in my life, one of my core business mentors who does not like to be mentioned whatsoever, so shout outs, wink wink, nudge nudge. One of my favorite business mentors built his business doing the messy work. He realized that there was a hole in the market, which we've already talked about, and that hole in the market was people had bars and restaurants and homes and cars that they did not want to clean, but they definitely wanted that look of a clean, rich aesthetic. So he started a cleaning business. It's the messy work. It's the work that no one wants to do, but everyone wants done. So he's created his entire business around that. And now that he's looking at selling his business, it's like tens of millions of dollars, I should say, in that offer right now, which is beautiful. And it's because he built his business doing the work that no one else wants to do. And it works. Okay, beyond cleaning, something that you could do that other people don't want to do, but they want to get done, could be organizing files on someone's computer, being a virtual assistant and helping small businesses organize their filing structure, or post on their social media. These are tasks that need to get done, but they aren't necessarily the tasks that most business owners want to do. So that's how you can also do that messy work, make that messy money. If you want to know more tips and tricks and things about building your stage and building your connection machine, then I personally invite you to come over to the visibility hacking world. Go to visibilityhacking.com. Click the button that says Become a Visibility Hacker, and it'll pop you over into our group and you get access to everything absolutely free. I would love to see you guys there, and I will. I'll see you over there. I'm willing this into the world. So visibilityhacking.com, become an official visibility hacker, and I'll see you over there. And in the meantime, check out this video or this video if you haven't seen it already, and I will see you in our next one. Remember, I love you. Be excellent to each other. Go find your people. They're out there waiting for you.